Hi everyone, it's Kevin from TN here. Today we're going to review the Magnatek Mat. A lot of you will have seen this one. This is the version 1 in this black colour here. It had these tip holders in the end here, little magnets in there. They were a little bit hit and miss whether or not they worked, and I've not had any one that's actually stood tips up in here. You know, the whole reason we've got magnets in here is so we can stick them on there. So Vince D'Alessandro, who's the designer and builder of these, has chopped it up. He's come out with this new version 2. First thing you notice, obviously, huge colour difference. They're just brighter, you know, having them on the vehicle, you're going to be able to see them a little bit easier. On the back side of these, you notice now the magnets are all exposed. So where these ones were actually moulded into the mat, so if they ever need to be changed or replaced or anything, you'd have to, you know, either live with a dead magnet or just leave it in there. Where these ones, you can actually be picked out. So yeah, quite a nice nice design there, and it also means that they can be coloured now. So it's come out with the red. This is a red. I know it shows up as being a bit pinky on the screen, but this is a red, and this one here is very obviously a nice bright green. I'm not sure whether the magnet strength has changed from mat to mat. In my opinion, the magnets in this seem a lot stronger than the version 1. I don't know whether there's more magnets going on in there. I haven't sat down and counted them yet, nor will I probably ever. Just don't work it just seems a lot more. See there, you know, there's some pretty heavy tools sat on the side. Are you going to use the mat like that? Possibly not. Some of you may be, you know, if you're doing R&I or you're working with, you know, side panel. Personally, I wouldn't want that sat there ready to take my eye out, but strange things happen. But where these are great, and I use them all the time, if you're working on roofs, just to lay across the top of the roof, especially if you're doing hail, gluing, anything like that, you can lay all of your tools on this, knowing that the vehicle's paintwork is to be protected, and knowing that none of your tools are going to roll off. You know, it's very easy. We all do it. You know, we're working with a mini lifter or a slide hammer or something, and you set it down on the vehicle's panel. The insurance guy walks past, body shop owner or something. It doesn't look good when we've got tools laid out all across the top of a vehicle. So having the mat gives you an area to place those tools, protects the paintwork, and stops the tooling from rolling off the edge as well. So you know, very good mat. They are heat resistant as well. They have this lip on, so if you know, for other uses, if you were you know, stripping something apart that had some fluids into it, the fluids aren't going to run off because of this lovely lip around here. So you know, it's got 1,001 different uses of these. You know, if you're a mechanic, dent guys, detailers, there's going to be, you know, so many different applications for this. Another really good use for this tool as well is as a sound suppressor. So for argument's sake, this roof here. So if I'm working on this roof, you know, if I need to tap down, this one's not too bad. I was doing a bed side on a truck bed on a Nissan Navara. When I was tapping down, there was a lot of vibration in the panel. I think actually Wade Hartley put a video up of them doing it's a similar bedside then, tapping crowns down, the panels vibrating all over the place, it's making a heck of a racket, and actually just came and placed one of these mats in the area, and it just absorbs that sound. Transit or any big van side panel, if you're tapping down, if you've got the high spots on the side of the vans, obviously you tap the high spot down, it's not just the high spot that's going to react. Because of the type of steel the vans are made from, the rest of the vans are going to start absorbing that impact as well. So just laying this mat down is going to take a lot of that kind of bounciness out of the panel. So really versatile, somewhat overlooked tool. You know, I think a lot of that possibly was down to colour. It just doesn't leap out at you, whereas these new colours do. Great tool, really good strong magnets in them. Take a look at them. As always, if you have any questions, just send us a comment below, or speak to myself or Sam, and we'll try and get them answered for you. But yeah, have a look. I don't think you'll be disappointed.
please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.